One sector which has literally hit a bullseye after Trump came into power is IT sector. IT sector, which was not performing from last 1.5 2 years, suddenly got a new breather when this government came into power, because this is the government, which will be benefiting IT sector a lot from the India perspective. And then reasons are many. We'll talk about that. Five main reasons of why IT sector is getting benefited. And you see all these stocks, all the big stocks, if you talk about, like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, and so many other. These stocks has not fallen so much, maybe around 5 to 10% down, whereas all the other sector stock has fallen by almost 20 to 30%. Okay, and lot of upgradation or upgrade is coming from the broking house related to IT sector, because the suddenly the outlook of IT sector has changed. So what is that which is keeping this IT sector up? We'll talk in detail. By the way, guys, if you have any question related to any sector stock, put it in the comment box, and do like and share this video to everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. Every day we are bringing some stocks and sector related information which will be helpful to you. चलिए बात करते हैं आईटी सेक्टर का. So what are the reasons why IT sector is doing well? First, one of the major reason is US dollar getting stronger and stronger. Suddenly, there is a talk going on that US may outperform all the other markets after Trump has come into power, because everyone is thinking the new policy again. Elon Musk in on the board, he's been appointed as a no for the government efficiency department. So they are thinking, everyone is thinking that this term government is going to change complete USA, and much more it will be better for the US corporate, so that basically they will earn much more profitability as the economy goes stronger and stronger. Banks will do well, and so many other sectors, because you see, understand, Trump is always saying that you have to cut interest rate, and he's going to put pressure on Fed, Jerome Powell, that to cut the interest rate. But whatever it is, they may cut now to maybe after a few months, or 75 basis point already cut. The BFSI sector, which is one of the major part of our IT sector, will be benefited, because see, if what is BFSI is banking financial institution. Okay, banking के related जो financial stocks की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So this all these banks know, as the Fed rate goes down, these banks will get a breather, because higher interest rate, higher bond yield, they are not able to sustain. Small banks are getting down, and if the banks comes in a good position, indirectly our IT sector like Infosys, TCS, and many other companies, okay, HCL and so many other companies do and big export to these BFSI sectors. Mostly, if you see, majority of our IT companies are doing 90% export. Now you have 90% export. No, anything happening at that level will be benefiting. So the US dollar is getting stronger and stronger against the other currencies, because if US economy gets stronger, indirectly US dollar is getting stronger. Again, if you feel that okay, US market may do well, US will go dollar, basically no currency will flow back to US, and again it will make US dollar much more stronger. And that is why this will be benefiting Indian IT sector, because most of the revenue is coming in US dollar. So indirectly, unko no, basically they get the currency benefit. Other point you have to keep in mind is that no, overall, the because the BFSI sector is going to go up. Overall, if you talk about a lot, many things will happen. First of all, the new contracts you are going to get it, and that is what this the second point I'm talking about. That new basically contract, they may get it at a much better deal as the economy goes up. And overall, no, the H1B visa and all that is very been talk about. But guys, everyone is saying that as Trump will come into position, H1B visa will be a problem for that. See, yes, during the Trump no tenure, first tenure 2016 to 2024, sorry, 2016 to 20, almost 24% rejection was there in H1B visa. But after that, already Indian IT companies has started recruiting lot many local employees also, and now that ratio is going down. And that is the change, it has happened from first tenure to second tenure. So basically the saying that no H1B visa will be in a because of the will be in problem, that will not be a problem. That is what Trump will like it. Trump is going to push for India because he's, you know, that he's against China. Okay, and at the end of the day he wants to make India America first, correct? And as a result, if he wants to make America first and they want to make it as a manufacturing hub, the back office they have to give to the developing countries like India. So overall that will be benefiting no overall for India. Again, another is the basically point is the stability in the policy making. Both Senate and Congress will be under Republican. Earlier वो केस नहीं था. Now here the both Senate and Senate and Congress will be under Republican. Like we have Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Similarly, there it is Senate and Congress. Now, as both will be under Trump administration, no, the policy making will be much more better, and the rules, will be less erratic. And at the end of the day, Trump is not going to make any such big change that boss, get out, or like no, we want only locals to be there in the IT sector and all that. वो possible नहीं है, because all these needs back office, and they want to concentrate on much more on the innovation part, manufacturing part, and less on the back office. And that is where India will be benefited. And I think this better policy making will indirectly help Indian IT companies to stay no on a, you can say, better place in USA. So that is a very very good point which IT sector will be having now. That H1B visa and all that will not be in fear. Plus, no, at the end of the day, the policy will be favorable to IT sector, which will be good for Indian IT companies. Again, the fourth point, that already Trump told that he is going to reduce the taxation from 21% to 15% for the corporate tax I am talking about. Now, if you are talking about reducing your taxation, guys, understand it will directly benefiting the corporate sector. If the corporate sector will be benefiting, then they will be doing more innovations, and at the technology level, they want to do things more automated, and they want to, and they will less negotiate with Indian IT companies. अभी क्या हो रहा था? When the things were not going well, lot of negotiation were going down. And what I heard from the IT no colleagues and all that, no, that they are trying to bring the contract value down, and as a result, no, the fees were getting impacted of all these IT companies. अगर ये नहीं होता है and they are increasing that budget allocation towards IT sector, it will indirectly benefiting the IT sector overall. Correct? So they will increase the budget sector as the profitability goes up, and that is what will benefit Indian IT sector. At the end, the last time, see, lot many issues were there. First of all, yes, this issue was there. Again, the BFSI problem, again the negotiation problem. All these things were actually going against IT sector. Now with this, things may change drastically, and that is what is the everyone is hopeful. Now you see many of the companies in this last 5 days also got all time high, because the change in the policy. And that is what the no experts are forcing, that one sector which is the biggest beneficiary out of this new government is nothing but the IT sector. And the fifth and last point, and one of the major point, is alternative to China. If someone is looking, India is the place to be. And you know that Trump is against China's policy, Chinese policy, and they are going to levy more and more tariff there. And if they are going to have more and more tariff, at the end of the day, lot many jobs where they going to China may come to India. Plus, IT base will increase in India. They see, as I told you, Trump want to focus much more on making America first and innovation first and all that. They don't want to focus on the back end. So that is where it will be helping India. Advanced technology like artificial intelligence, semiconductor, and all that will be coming in the full fledged, and then more technology may actually come to India. And so if he's backing he's becoming anti India, for us it will be like a pro India, correct? So this is will benefit overall no Indian IT sector as a whole. See, at the end of the day, understand all these companies, there in USA, they want to grow and they want to make their system as robust as possible, and they need a workforce for that. I think no other better country than India, and that you have to keep in mind. And over the I think maybe next 1 or 2 quarters, if the things change in US, I think you will able to see lot many changes in IT sector guidance also. Because if US is going to go up and China, overall Europe situation may become better after the latest interest rate cut, I think change will happen in the guidance part also, and that will no bring the stock price up on the upper side for most of the IT sector stocks. So this is the biggest positive points which I wanted to convey you guys. Hope you got it. If you got it, and if you liking this video, do like it and share it to everyone, and do subscribe to our channel. And by the way, let me tell you one thing, that no, all this whatever we are going to information, we are just for the information, no recommendation here, guys. You have no, you can do your own research and analyze the stocks, and or you can see our earlier videos also. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to answer you a lot many questions which you are asking. And you, if you have any question, put it in the comment box down. And by the way, guys, as I told you earlier also, this Sunday we are having a master class. If you want to attend, click the below link and do attend it, and do join our Telegram channel without fail. Okay, so let me go through all the questions what are pending. So so another question is been one question is been asked by uh, Ankit, what about Adani Energy? Adani Energy, overall, no, I think you should hold it now. Of course, this Adani Energy in many of the renewable sector has gone down because of the Trump dialogue. You see, for some sector it is doing well, for some sector it is not doing well. For renewable energy, I think it is gone against, because Trump told that no, I'm against renewable energy. But I think you should hold for some time, and then you can think about it. Maybe 1 or 2 quarter you can think about it. Okay, so another question is Johnson. Hi Tapan, great job on the research. And I think yeah, he is our colleague. He was my earlier colleague on Landmark. Okay, he has written the how do you. Okay, I'll reply to him. Okay, another question is asked by AK, that Nifty may reach to 21,000 level maybe in next 2 to 3 months. Now that I don't know whether it will reach 21,000 or not, because that is too pessimistic. But yes, we don't know when it reached about 26,000. No one were knowing that we may reach around 23,500. तो पता नहीं ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. Chances कम लग रहे हैं, लेकिन हो भी सकता है. But anyways, that we cannot judge it. It's all about no, we should no take this opportunity with both and buying a good quality stock rather than no, अब कहाँ जाएगा नहीं जाएगा वो हमें भी पता नहीं है. Something good news come, it may get reverse also. So of course today again market is weak. Okay, now AK is also writing UK market is peaking and India market is falling. FI exists in moving to China and US 100%. If you can check our last video also, know what about the FII and all that, how they are, where they are getting. Majority of the flow is going to back to USA only, because they feel USA is giving much more better opportunity than any other country, and that's why US dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So of course, if US economy is then why they will stay here? That is the there is no rocket science behind it, and that is what is actually hurting India. Regularly from last 1.5 months, we are seeing sales from FII yesterday sold around 2,500, but we bought around 6,000 crore rupees of buying. So in a way, we are compensating. But yes, a good amount of selling is happening. Kasar Srinivas is asking, can we do a gold purchase? Well, gold purchase already gone up a lot, but yes, at a dip you can think about it of buying some gold. Okay. Pankaj Jain, sir, at present, should we buy stock recommended in your size? 100% you can go and buy it out. You can just go to a profit multiplier that the stock is already recommended, top 15 stocks and all that. All are good quality stocks, and most of them started doing well from today onwards. Okay, market be recover ho raha hai. But yes, they are not fallen too much, and you can go and check it out. And guys, if you want to know about your service also, know the in description the link is given. You can go and check it out, and you can attend the next session also. Uh, Hussein PRVT asking, sir, can I buy Suzlon at 70? Sir, okay, I already bought 78. Can I hold it? Yes, you should hold it now. अभी तो निकलना नहीं चाहिए at this level, because overall, I know the situation is bad for the renewable, but let's see for the one more quarter, and then you can take a better decision whether you want to get out or not. So, guys, यहाँ तक रखते हैं. I think I've taken few questions. Next time I'll take few another questions. So, hope you are liking the video, guys, and I'll see you soon next time. And join our Telegram channel without fail. See you then. Bye bye.